Features of mediation. Introduction. Mediation, as a form of alternative dispute resolution, ADR, encompasses distinctive features that set it apart from traditional adversarial methods. This dynamic process involves a neutral third party, the mediator, facilitating communication and negotiation between disputing parties to reach a voluntary and mutually agreeable resolution. The unique characteristics of mediation contribute to its effectiveness in a wide array of contexts, promoting collaboration, preserving relationships, and offering a flexible and empowering approach to conflict resolution. These distinctive features collectively make mediation a flexible, empowering, and collaborative approach to conflict resolution. Understanding the key features of mediation is essential for appreciating its effectiveness in resolving conflicts across various domains. Voluntary participation. Mediation's voluntary nature distinguishes it from traditional legal processes, fostering an environment where parties willingly engage in the resolution process. This voluntary aspect allows for a more cooperative atmosphere and a greater likelihood of reaching a mutually agreeable solution. For instance, in a neighborhood dispute over property boundaries, homeowners might voluntarily choose mediation to maintain a positive relationship with their neighbors while resolving the conflict. Example, in a workplace dispute, employees voluntarily agree to participate in mediation to address communication breakdowns and interpersonal conflicts. 2. Impartial mediator. Central to the mediation process is the role of an impartial mediator, an individual who remains neutral and unbiased throughout the proceedings. This impartiality ensures that the mediator does not favor any party, allowing for fair and equitable negotiations. In workplace mediation, for instance, an impartial mediator could help address interpersonal conflicts among employees without taking sides, thus facilitating a resolution that benefits all parties involved. Example, in divorce mediation, the mediator, without taking sides, helps spouses navigate property division and child custody arrangements. 3. Confidentiality. Confidentiality is a cornerstone of mediation, creating a safe space for open communication. The private nature of the discussions enables parties to express their concerns without fear of public disclosure. In a divorce mediation, couples might discuss personal matters such as financial details or child custody arrangements confidentially, encouraging honest and open dialogue. Example, in a business dispute, confidential mediation allows companies to explore settlement options without risking damage to their public image. 4. Informality. The informality of the mediation process distinguishes it from formal legal proceedings, fostering a relaxed and collaborative atmosphere. This informal setting encourages open communication, creative problem-solving, and a more personalized approach to conflict resolution. For example, in a community mediation addressing disputes among residents, the informal setting allows neighbors to express their concerns and work together to find practical solutions. Example, in community disputes, an informal mediation session may bring together neighbors to discuss noise complaints and find amicable solutions. 5. Focus on interests, not positions. Mediation encourages parties to move beyond rigid positions and instead focus on their underlying interests and needs. By understanding the motivations behind each party's stance, mediators can facilitate discussions that lead to mutually beneficial solutions. In a business contract dispute, for instance, mediation might shift the focus from legal positions to the interests of both parties, such as preserving the business relationship or finding a compromise that meets both parties' financial needs. Example, in a land use conflict, parties may shift from arguing over specific zoning regulations to exploring shared interests in community development and environmental conservation. 6. Customization. The ability to customize the mediation process is a powerful feature that enhances its effectiveness. Mediators can employ various techniques and strategies based on the nature of the dispute and the preferences of the parties involved. For example, in workplace mediation, the process may include team-building exercises or facilitated discussions aimed at improving communication and resolving underlying issues. Example, in a workplace mediation, the process can be adapted to address unique issues such as team dynamics, Communication styles or cultural considerations. 7. Empowerment and control. Mediation empowers parties by actively involving them in the resolution process, fostering a sense of control over the outcome. This emphasis on empowerment distinguishes mediation from traditional litigation, where decisions are often imposed by a judge or arbitrator. In a community mediation, for instance, residents actively participate in discussions and decision-making, empowering them to shape the resolution of the dispute. Example, in a school mediation involving students, allowing them to voice their concerns and contribute to the resolution fosters a sense of empowerment and responsibility. 8. Decision-making authority. A significant feature of mediation is that parties retain decision-making authority. Unlike court proceedings where decisions are handed down by a judge, mediation allows parties to actively participate in shaping the resolution. In a family mediation concerning child custody, parents can collaboratively decide on parenting arrangements, ensuring that the final agreement reflects their unique family dynamics and priorities. Example, in a family mediation about parenting arrangements, parents retain the power to determine custody schedules and visitation rights. 9. Flexibility in process. Flexibility is a hallmark of mediation, allowing the process to be tailored to the unique needs and circumstances of the parties involved. Mediation adapts to the specific characteristics of each case, offering a variety of techniques and approaches. This flexibility allows for customization in terms of timing, location, and the overall structure of the mediation sessions. Example: in a divorce mediation, the process can be customized to address the unique complexities of child custody arrangements, financial matters, and emotional considerations. The flexibility in the mediation process ensures that the resolution approach aligns with the intricacies of the case. 10. Cost-effectiveness and time efficiency. Mediation is generally more cost-effective and time-efficient than traditional litigation, reducing legal fees, minimizing court-related expenses, and providing a quicker resolution process. The avoidance of lengthy court schedules, procedural formalities, and the ability to control the pace of the process contribute to the cost-effectiveness and time efficiency of mediation. This makes it an attractive option for parties seeking a more streamlined and economical resolution. Example: in a business partnership dispute, the cost of mediation may be significantly lower than the expenses associated with a prolonged court battle. Additionally, the timely resolution allows the parties to move forward with their business endeavors more quickly. Conclusion: mediation's features make it a powerful tool for resolving conflicts across various contexts. The voluntary nature, impartial mediator, confidentiality, informality, and focus on interests collectively contribute to a process that promotes collaboration and understanding. By allowing parties to actively participate, maintain confidentiality, and shape mutually agreeable solutions, mediation stands out as an effective and adaptable approach to dispute resolution.